You like it? Yeah?
Looks like we just about got here. Then we're gonna be driving through the dam. Exciting! There's the line.
I wonder if this is where we pay.
Probably not. Or maybe. We'll see right now.
You are now approaching your destination. Reduce speed ahead. Speed limit of 15 miles per hour. Whoa.
There's the bridge.
Roll your window now, girlfriend. Check it off our bucket list. Driving through the dam. Check.
Oh, look, the bridge is there again. First time here?
First time here.
You like it?
Yes, so far.
It's hot.
I like it.
Let's see. Are we still looking for a tour?
Yeah.
Okay.
But as usual,
Time?
it's time crunch.
Empty. Nice and fresh over here with the shade. Boom!
It's crazy how this wall here is holding that water, huh?
Yeah.
And how powerful water is. I'm sure it still breaks through it. Like,
Leaks, little baby things that could become big.
yeah, well, don't do the repairs on it, like yearly,
Yeah.
yearly round. Yeah.
Maintenance.
Well, look how the towers are leaning.
I think they were made like that. Or were they?
But I mean, it's still amazing. Let's see if I could do this without dropping the phone down there.
Ew. Your hand is all shaking down there.
Okay, so we call the school administration today, and while we're out here trying to enjoy our day, we're getting phone calls from school, and Mom out here is getting stressed out. So what's going on, Mom?
Okay, so maybe we should talk about this in the car because there's just a lot of noise.
No, I want to get the dam here.
So Hugo, my husband, saw some stuff today when we were dropping him off, which made him uncomfortable. So we called to get him transferred, and we've been getting calls back. That's about it. We're not in Nevada anymore. We're in Arizona. Turmoil. Chaos. Whirlwind.
This is professional mode, and this is chill mode.
That's my everyday mode.
Chill mode, posture.
It's important.
This is entering the tour to the dam.
How do you like it so far?
Oh, it's pretty cool. The history behind it, amazing.
Oh.
What's that about?
Fossils. We're gonna go check out the view without windows.
The tour, when we were down there, we were walking through there.
This big building right here.
And then the generators are down there.
Right underneath the dam. And our car is over there. You ready? Hey guys, welcome back. Today's Saturday, family day, so I thought I'd pick up the camera. We've already been pretty busy. We went to the gym. Pretty busy. We went to the gym and we have to go to get a haircut because Christian has been needing one and Dad has been needing one. I don't know if you can see him. Dad has been needing one, and Christian, he's not even comfortable showing his hair right now. No, just kidding. He's wearing a hat. He's been needing one for like 2 months already. We've been slacking, so today is the day. We made an appointment, so we're gonna go eat Subway real quick, and then we're gonna go get a haircut, and then we'll see what else we do. But you guys are coming along. I was going to film a separate video just about the haircut and the tips and all that, but I've done some, and to be honest, right now we're at the point where he's so used to it that we don't really need a lot of things. You know, like we just have to make sure he is not sleepy, he's fed, and that's pretty much it, you know. So
but always prepared.
Yeah, we still have to be prepared just in case.
Hey,
so yeah,
down for Christian.
The only tip I would say, if you want to, you know, try to have a good haircut appointment, I would say is, you know, make sure they're not sleepy, make sure they're not hungry, and, you know, bring their favorite things, like whether it's snacks, favorite toy car, favorite you know, yeah, put some cartoons on the phone, whatever you think will make your son or daughter calm down. That's pretty much it, you know. Like, I know that he loves the lollipop, so worst case scenario, we can give him a lollipop. This is Hugo's new look. Just kidding. He's calm?
Yeah, he's really calm. Nothing else matters with that lollipop.
Good thing we brought it. You look cute, Christian. Looking fresh. Dad is ready for his driver's license picture. Show us your haircut as you're driving away. Nice. We came to the mall to look for high tops for Christian so he doesn't take off his shoes. Hopefully. Is it hot?
It's like, how many degrees is it?
1,000. Let's go. Where should we look?
Money.
We find what we were looking for?
Yes.
Christian's hopefully new and improved shoes. Oh, crying already. Okay. New shoes? Mommy and Papi? Nothing. It's about 7 o'clock. We're just gonna hang out at home, have a good time. So I think I'll end it here. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.